Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. In this video, you're going to be watching for an older Cadillac. Now, the driver of this Cadillac almost hits two people to pull over to a trash can to throw out his drink container without getting out of the car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Almost hit them two women that were walking with a dog. There was water on the empty trash can without getting out of the car. Yeah. Last year I had a melanoma on my eye. Did you? And they said, what did I get back there? But it was like a brown spot. I bet y'all got to be kidding. It's one of the people that ever entered our conference packs. Almost hit them two women that were walking with a dog. There was water on the empty trash can without getting out of the car. Yeah.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.